Keep your head straight. Gently close your eyes. You can keep your palms in Gyan or Chin Mudra on your knees if you want. Just touch your first fingertip, yeah, thumb fingertip, thumb tip, and just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Your breath should be deep and long inhalation and deep and long exhalation. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we will prepare ourselves for today's class and we will chant. We will start the class by chanting one time of Om. So take a very deep inhale and with exhalation we have to chant Om. Inhale and with exhale start chanting of Om. 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 Relax yourself. Just feel the vibration of mantra in your body. Gently join your both palms in front of your sternum bone. Slowly bow down your head towards God and exhale. Release. Release your eye. Open your eyes. Release your palms. And just come into tabletop position on your mat. Slowly position. We will do Asana, cow and cat pose. जागृति जी आज टेबल टॉप पोजीशन बनाइए. पोजीशन जागृति जी आज हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे थोड़ी सी फिर हम अष्टांगा शुरू करेंगे. ओके so inhale look up, exhale look down. Marjari asana will do Marjari asana cow and cat pose. Inhale look up and exhale look down. With inhale lift your chest spine up, open your chest, look up, full rotate your shoulders, and with exhale tuck your chin on your chest. Inhale again up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Now release your spine, neutralize your spine. Okay. Again inhale. You have to lift your leg up now. Lift your right leg up towards your head. Look up. Just pull your head up and you have to look up. Okay? And exhale, try to touch your head on your knee. Try to touch your head on your knee with exhalation. Okay? Inhale again, take your right leg up in the air. Bend your right leg. Elena, you have to bend your right leg, knee towards your head. Okay? Try to touch your head on your, try to touch your toe on your head if you can. If you cannot, just try. Exhale, take your leg again towards your head and contract your body. Very nice. Again, inhale, take your spine. Very nice. Exhale and release. Now change your leg. Now lift your left leg up high in the air towards your head.
Can't see image.
Lift your left leg up in the air towards your head. Exhale, knee to your head, or chin on your nose. Anywhere you can touch, just try. Again with जागृति जी, उठाइए अपने पैर को, ऐसे ऐसे आइए टेबल टॉप पोजीशन में, ऐसे। अपने लेफ्ट लेग को उठाइए ऐसे करके और अपने हेड की तरफ कराइए। ऐसे ट्विस्ट मत करना, वो मैं उधर देख रहा हूँ। ऐसे उठा के अपने हेड की तरफ, हेड को ऊपर। एक्सेल, जो आपका घुटना है वो आपके हेड पे टच होगा, ठीक है। इनहेल, सांस लेते हो, इनहेल मीन सांस लेते हो आपको लेग उठाना है, और सांस आपको ऊपर लगाना है, ठीक है। समझ में आया आपको? करिए।
दिख रहा है? पिक्चर क्लियर है?
जी जी, क्लिक पिक्चर क्लियर। करिए, आप ट्राई करिए। Guys, come into, stay into tabletop position. Now we will raise our right hand front and left leg back. Right hand front and left leg back. Stretch your right hand front as much as you can and left leg back. Just someone is pulling you from front and back. Stretch with inhalation. Inhale and stretch properly. Exhale, squeeze yourself, contract yourself. Try to touch your elbow, your knee. जागृति जी, आपको अपना राइट हैंड खींचना है और लेफ्ट हैंड पीछे, लेफ्ट लेग पीछे, राइट हैंड फ्रंट, ऐसे। और फिर एक्सेल करके आपको ऐसे टच करना है। इनहेल करके अगेन ओपन। गाइस, डू 3 टाइम्स एंड चेंज योर लेग टिल आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग टू जागृति जी। यू कैन जस्ट कंटिन्यू। ओके, अब हम चेंज करेंगे। आपको कहीं पे भी समझ में नहीं आया जागृति जी, आप फिर पूछ लिएगा हमसे, ठीक है। You can ask us anytime whenever you don't get any asana, okay? Guys, with change your leg you have to do, okay? हाँ, ऐसे में करिए। हाँ, ऐसे में करिए जागृति, अब आप सही से देखिए। नहीं नहीं, ऐसे में ही, ऐसे में ही, ऐसे में। हाँ जी, ऐसे में करिए। Okay, Mia, you have done with both legs and both hands. Okay, so we will do our next exercise. Just keep your palms under your shoulder. Don't just remove it. Just keep it and just rotate yourself. Go towards the right side and go front. Lean, lean. Don't lean like this. You have to keep your hips up and just lean with your. Try to convert your weight on your full hands. Okay, just convert your weight to full hands. Lean forward. You will feel stretch here. आपको यहाँ पे stretch feel होगा. You will feel stretch on your wrist and your forearms. And then take your body towards the left side and do not bend your elbows. Keep your elbows straight and lean towards the left side. Then just come back again. Go right side, front, and left side. Do it properly. Make a rotation. Don't bend your elbows. Keep in mind 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Then just back your toes, lift your hips up, and just walk front and come into Samastiti. खड़े हो जाइए, सूर्य नमस्कार करेंगे जागृति जी। So हम करेंगे अष्टांगा. अष्टांगा का सूर्य नमस्कार. We will do sun salutation A of अष्टांगा. Okay. So आप चाहे तो एक बार देख लीजिए. So who will show? Jagruti ji, Alina, can you show sun salutation A to Jagruti ji? How you have to do it? So Jagruti ji, Alina को देखिए. Alina आपको दिखाएंगी. धीरे. Alina, let me speak and then you follow my instruction. Okay. Okay. So जागृति जी, आप एलिना को देखिए. एलिना कैसे कर रही है, आपको भी वैसे ही करना है. ओके. Take a inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. Mia, you also can try. Everybody, just join. Take a inhale. जागृति जी आप देखिए हैं.
हाँ.
दो exhale, go fully forward down towards your leg. Treni inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palms. Exhale, jump back chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Urdhmukha. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Adho Mukha. Now hold here for 5 breaths and you have to do Ujjayi breathing. Deep breath in, deep breath out. 1. Deep breath in लेनी है. Ujjayi breathing कैसे करते हैं जागृति जी? हमें कोशिश करनी है अपने थ्रोट से ब्रीथ खींचने की. ठीक है. आप नाक से सांस नहीं लोगे. जैसे खराटे के टाइम आती है वही सांस लेनी है. 3, 4 and 5. Just bend your both knees, jump front or walk front. अगर आप जंप नहीं कर सकते तो आप वॉक करके आगे आ सकते हैं. ऊर्ध्वतानासना. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Urdhva Vrikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. So, अब जागृति जी आप ट्राई करिए. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कहाँ पे कैसे कैसे करना. ठीक है, कोशिश करिएगा. Okay, guys, second round. Take a inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. Join your both palms over your head. Exhale, go fully forward down. लंबर से कोशिश करिएगा. हाँ, वेरी गुड जागृति. Treni inhale, look front, lengthen spine. आपको क्या करना है जागृति जी? जस्ट सामने देखना है. अपनी चेस्ट को लिफ्ट करके सामने देखना है. ऐसे ही रहिए, ऐसे रही रहिए ऐसी. हाँ, सही. आगे देखिए, आगे. एक्सेल, अपने हाथों को नीचे रखे, पीछे जाइए. एक्सेल, जंप बैक चतुरंगा. आप वॉक करते हुए जाइए पीछे ऐसे. यहाँ से पीछे जाइए और ऐसे ऐसे हो जाइए. वैसे चतुरंगा में रखते हैं बट तो आप नहीं बना पाओगे. सो इनहेल, ऊर्ध्वमुखा. ऊर्ध्वमुखा में आ जाइए आप जागृति जी. भुजंगासना. भुजंगासना करा होगा आपके पहले. हाँ. और एक्सेल, दो मुखा. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग, पर्वतासना. Right, hold here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front, Urdhva. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Urdhva Vrikshasana. And exhale, Samasthiti. Come inhale. Do a exhale. जस्ट जागृति जी आप फॉलो करिए जैसे भी आप कर पाओ, धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा होता है स्टार्टिंग में. जस्ट फॉलो अप करिए हमारे साथ. Treni inhale, exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, Sat exhale, hold. 1, deep breath in, deep breath out. Look at your navel point. 2, push करिए अपने thoracic को. 3, 4, down and 5. Exhale, bend your both knees. Inhale, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now sun salutation B. Take up, inhale, bend your both knees. Raise your arms up in Utkatasana, chair pose. अपनी knees को bend करें. बहुत बढ़िया. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Trani, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back or go back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Warrior A का बनाना है आपको. Hold here, 1. जागृति जी अपना राइट पैर अपने दोनों हाथों के बीच में लेकर आइए और वॉरियर ए बनाइए. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Guys, so let's come in front of a mat for second set. Sorry, there was some network issues. Again, come front for second set. Okay, again, inhale, come inhale, bend your both knees, raise your arms up, Kadasana. Do exhale, go forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. आगे देखिए, जागृति जी, आगे देखिए सामने. अपनी पीठ सीधी करिए, अपनी बैक को स्ट्रेट करिए. चतवारी, एक्सेल, जंप बैक, चतुरंगा. पंचा, इनहेल, अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. सट, एक्सेल, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. बहुत बढ़िया. Now bring your right leg front for warrior B. Hold into warrior B. Very nice. 1. ऐसे ऐसे करिए, ये वाला B वाला. बहुत अच्छा. थोड़ा सा पैरों को और खोल लीजिए हल्का सा. 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhmukha. Exhale, adhomukha. Now bring your left leg front for warrior B. अपने लेफ्ट लेग को लेकर आइए warrior B में. हाँ, आपको लेफ्ट सामने देखना है, आगे झुकना नहीं है. जागृति जी बीच में रहिए. आगे में झुकिए, ऐसे ऐसे रहना है सीधा और नीचे बैठना है हमको. 2, 3, बहुत अच्छा. 4 and 5. Exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhmukha. Exhale, adhomukha. Now we will do. Okay, जागृति जी आप ये वाला आराम से करिएगा, धीरे से करिएगा. And we will start coming to plank pose. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Okay. Okay, start second round. Come into plank. Elena, hips down, straight. You have to make a straight line. Exhale, chaturanga. आराम से. बहुत बढ़िया जाओगे. चतुरंगा में आप नीज बेंड कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा रेस्ट करिए. इनहेल, अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. एंड एक्सेल, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. थर्ड राउंड अगेन प्लैंक. चतुरंगा. इनहेल, अपवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. एंड एक्सेल, डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. फिफ्थ राउंड अगेन प्लैंक. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Sixth round of the seventh plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take plank. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Alina, this is last round. Just join. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, holding to plank pose. 3, 2, very nice. And one exhale, chaturanga, make chaturanga. Again, hold in chaturanga for 5 seconds. 1, chaturanga, chaturanga, Mia chaturanga. 2, yeah, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. And bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samastiti. Third and last round, Ekam, inhale, again come into chair pose. Do exhale. कोई नहीं, आराम से जागृति दी, आज फर्स्ट डे है, आराम से धीरे करिए, रेस्ट लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से करिए. 4 exhale, jump back. 5 inhale, upward facing dog. 6 exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg front for warrior C. Maintain your balance in warrior C. Yeah, very nice, guys. Hold 1, Elena, leg up, slightly up. 2, toes pointing backward. Toes को point करिए. 3, 4, and 5. Now go forward. Go forward. No. Just go forward and raise your left leg fully up. Okay. And go fully forward down. Very nice. Again, hold 5, 4, 3. Mia, lift your leg up more. Push your leg up. 2 and 1. Exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, upward facing dog, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior C. Again, maintain your balance on your left leg. Raise your right leg up. Again, hold 1. Balance, maintain your balance on your left leg. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, go forward down. Take your right leg up high in the air. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now deep breath in and deep breath out. Hold there for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come into plank pose. Plank. Now touch your right knee on your right elbow. Okay. 1, and left knee to left elbow. 2, change your leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mia, your right knee to right elbow. Don't twist. 8, 9. Your right knee to right elbow and hold. Hold. 5. Just hold. Elbow to your knee and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change 10. Change your leg. Left leg to left knee to left elbow and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your leg back and come into downward facing dog. Again, relax yourself here. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now we'll change. Now we'll touch our right knee to left elbow and left knee to right elbow. Okay. Now we'll do twisting one. Okay, start. 1. Your right knee will go to left elbow and your left knee will go to right elbow. Twist yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold leg, right knee to left elbow and hold. Hold for 5 seconds. 5. You have to twist. Mia, you have to twist right knee to left elbow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change your leg, another leg to another elbow. Your left leg, left knee to right elbow. Hold 1, 2. हाँ कोशिश करिए जागृति जी टच करिए 3, 4 and 5. Now take your leg back. Come again into downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and now we start mountain walking. Okay. So come into plank pose and जागृति जी धीरे धीरे करिए. पहले एक पैर ऐसे करिए, फिर इसको लेके जाइए, दूसरे पैर को लेके आइए. Okay, guys, you have to do it fast, me and Alina. Okay, and he also. I cannot see it, but she's there, I guess. Okay, start. 1, mountain walk too fast. 2, don't go into downward facing dog again and again. 3, Alina, you have to change your leg. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale again, come into downward facing dog. Relax yourself. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Give your energy back.
Did you see my Labrador trying to do it?
Yeah, I have seen.
He was trying to.
Yeah, he's also trying to do yoga, I guess. Just take few deep breath in, deep breath in and deep breath out, and prepare yourself for upcoming class more. So today we are gonna just work on our strength. तो जागृति जी आप कोई बातें फर्स्ट डे है, आप बस फॉलो अप करिए हमें, जितना भी हो रहा है उतना कोशिश करिए. धीरे धीरे आपको आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे. ठीक. Okay, again guys, coming to downward facing dog. So downward facing dog में आ जाइए. So come into plank pose. Plank pose में आइए सब. Come into plank pose. Just keep your core engaged and hold it there. Mia, push your hips more down. Be in one line. Elena, you also. And just hold for 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come into side plank. Lift your left arm up. Come into side plank. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, come in front. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on your left arm for side plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, coming to front. Just bend your elbows. Come into elbow plank. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And enough. Oh, Mia, sorry, Mia, push yourself forward. Your shoulders will go front. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into side plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming to side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, front. Last 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Go into downward facing dog. Bend your knees and relax yourself again. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Okay, come into downward facing dog. We will finish up our last set. Just come into downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Now jump back, press your palms, jump back. You have to look here. So what you are doing, you are not jumping from your like shoulders, you are not using that strength. So you will not get it. So what you have to do when you are jumping, going back, just try to bend your knee. If you cannot just straight your legs and lift legs up like this, you can just bend your knees, keep your knees bent. Just try to shift your weight on your hands. On your hands, just try to shift your weight on your hands. Transfer, lift, and then just jump back. So what it will make a muscle memory also for you. That's what you have to do while going back. While going back, you have to try to shift your weight on your shoulder like this. If you will do properly jump back, the properly jump back will go like this. So if you always jump like this, you will not get that strength. So you have to try to jump properly after transferring your weight front and then jump back. So you know afterwards that what you have to do while jumping. Okay, so try. Do it slow. Your feet landing sound should not come. Okay, do it very slow and gently, so even no sound will come of lifting and jumping back. Control yourself. When you are jumping front, try to transfer weight on your shoulders. So do it 10 times front and 10 times back. Okay. After completing 10 times, just again come front and release yourself like this. Relax yourself. Okay, so now your next exercise is first you can go, just go back into the downward facing dog. And from there you have to walk on your toes, okay? Walk on your toes. Small steps, you have to walk back. Again, and to you. You have to come closer to your body as much as you can, but you have to walk on your toes. You have to keep your only big toe on the floor like this. This will give you a very good step, okay? So you have to do this, just try. Walk करें धीरे धीरे करना जागृति जी. Mia and Elena, just come on your big toe and walk. And don't lift your palm up, okay? You have to keep your full palm on the mat. Don't lift your palm, okay? Just try. And your knee will not bend. It's okay if you cannot come closer much, but your knee should be straight. Don't bend your knees. Just walk front, again walk front. On your toes, on your toes. And you have to keep in mind that you have to transfer your weight from your legs to your shoulders. What I was doing, okay? Transfer your weight from legs to your shoulder. Your hip will come up, just up of your head, okay? See, while I will walk, my hips are also coming front, and it is coming just up. I'm not like this. My hips are straight. And I'm also leaning forward, so I can transfer my weight from my legs to my hands, okay?
Does that hurt your big toe?
Huh?
Does
Sorry?
it hurt your, should it hurt your big toe?
Your sound is not coming properly.
No, it's not very good on this phone. Should it hurt your big toe when you do that?
Yeah, you have to touch your big toe on the floor.
Yeah, but that's painful.
It's painful. You are doing on your mat.
Yeah.
So use your full feet, front feet. Leave your toe,
Okay.
just come on your feet. But in starting, whatever we'll do, it hurts. Where like if we do Bakasana, we feel pain here, but
Yeah.
after some time we do not feel that pain. So it's like that.
Okay. All right,
Okay.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so try walking. After you complete your walk, just again come into downward facing dog and relax yourselves and get prepared for your next exercise. So
May I ask a question? So should the elbow be facing this way or like inward this way? Like when you do the this?
yeah, I think so. You are asking. Okay, yeah. Ask
Yeah.
again.
Should the elbow be like facing like
No.
should it be this way or like inward?
Should not frontwise. If you have a hyper extension elbows, you have to micro bend your elbow like this.
Ah, okay. So not look there.
Do not face your elbow front, okay? Your elbow will face inside, not outside. This is the hyper extension. We are doing this hyper extension. Even my elbows are hyper extended. So I will always try to rotate it like this. So just try to keep rotating and slightly bend your elbows, slightly. Micro bend your elbows if you have hyper extension elbow like I have.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so guys, look here for the next exercise. So next exercise, you have to jump, bend your knees, jump. This is the next exercise. And then you have to press up arm, lift, go back, press up arm, lift, go back, arms, lift, go back. So why we are doing this? Okay, so why we are doing this? To increase our strength on our shoulders, on our wrist, on our forearms. So these exercises will give you that strength what you want at the time of jumping in asanas. In Ashtanga, we require jumping in asanas from one asana to another. So it will help. So it is important to increase your health. Oh, increase your strength. So just try this one also. Alina, I think so. You are reading for the closing prayer.
I'm always ready for the closing prayer.
It's just 1 hour class. Just
Reality
try.
is that I'm getting a bit lightheaded from always being, in a
Okay.
half inversion.
Oh, body exhausted due to doing Ashtanga. So
Yeah. No, it's just like keeping the head below the heart. It's just making it light. That's all.
but
I'll
if
do
you,
it. And
but if you
closing.
will, yeah, but if you will do it, then afterwards you will get stronger and you will not feel that pain. Alina, you have to not jump, but try to lift. But it's nice, you are trying good. Do not bend in a knee, Alina. Yeah, very good. Good try. Then you have to walk back, do it around 3 or 4 sets, and then just relax. You can relax after doing 3 to 4 sets. जागृति जी, कल 1 है, कल 1 तारीख से दोबारा से सब कुछ नया शुरू होगा। सो दोबारा से सब कुछ आप वहां से दोबारा अच्छे से ज्वाइन करिएगा, ओके, ताकि बेसिक से आपको है।
कल से स्टार्ट,
जी
कल से स्टार्ट होगा ना
जी,
फ्रॉम
कल
टुमारो
से दोबारा से बेसिक से स्टार्ट होगा, तो आप ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा, ओके
2 बजे यही टाइम पे
जी।
सेम टाइम।
हाँ, बस कल से टीचर चेंज होंगे, तो 2 बजे राहुल सर कराएंगे कल से।
अच्छा ओके
शायद जो भी बता दिया जाएगा।
राइट, मेरा ना फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है बॉडी, तो उसके लिए क्या पहले?
देखिए, स्टार्टिंग में ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होती है बॉडी, तो हमें बस स्टार्टिंग में ये पहले समझनी चाहिए, चीजें धीरे धीरे आती है, समझनी पड़ेगी हमें चीजें, ऐसे इतनी आसानी से नहीं होता है। टाइम दीजिए, प्रैक्टिस दीजिए, काफी टाइम लगता है, तो इतनी जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है, हमें धीरे करेंगे और अच्छे से करेंगे। फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के लिए आपके लिए भी एक ही चीज है, वो है प्रैक्टिस। प्रैक्टिस जितना आप करोगे अच्छे से, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। So, okay, so come on your mat, just sit in any comfortable pose. We will relax. We will do closing prayer. Just sit in any comfortable pose. You can use lotus pose or in simple cross leg. Close your eyes, keep your spine straight, head straight, chin parallel to the floor. And now normalize your breath. We will chant 1 time Om and 3 times Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Start. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently join your both palms in front of your sternum bone. Slowly go down your head towards God. Gently your head up. Namaste. Open your eyes, open your legs. If you have any question, you can ask.
No questions. Thank you.
Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Welcome.
See ya.
Bye. Take care, guys. See you
See ya.
soon.
You too. Have a good day.